morning students. Now in the previous period we discussed about the osmotic pressures and the laws of osmotic pressures. After that we discussed there some numericals on osmotic pressures. Understood? Now today's we are discuss about the next part of the chapter is reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis. In short, it is say that RO. RO. Everybody knows this system RO. Now, by using this concept, reverse osmosis, you know the osmosis concept. Osmosis means it is a spontaneous unidirectional flow of solvent from high concentration to low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Is it clear? That is called osmosis. Again I repeat, it is a spontaneous unidirectional flow of solvent from high concentration to low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called as osmosis. And some external pressure is applied on the process of osmosis to stop the flow of solvent is called as osmotic pressure. Just देखिए, now here diagrammatically we have to explain it. Okay, here one of the container are here divided or it's bifurcated with the help of a semi-permeable membrane. Corrected? Here it is a pure water. Listen carefully. In compartment A is pure water and in compartment B it is salty water. Salty water. So definitely in the salty water amount of water or the concentration of water is less. Understood? So as per osmosis process, what is happening here? The concentration of solvent in compartment A it is high and here it is low. In compartment A concentration of solvent is high and in salty water concentration of solvent is low, and therefore in osmosis process the flow of solvent from compartment A to compartment B, meaning will be clear, through a semi-permeable membrane. Through a semi-permeable membrane. So here it say that now the flow of solvent from pure water to salty water through semi-permeable membrane is called as osmosis. हमें osmosis बताए. Okay. Now, if we apply the external pressure on the process of osmosis to stop the flow of solvent, it's called as, this pressure is called as osmotic pressure. Meaning will be clear? This is osmotic pressure. Now the reverse osmosis process is completely opposite. Understood? It completely opposite to that of osmosis. ये natural process है osmosis. but reverse osmosis is not natural, it's not spontaneous. Point will be clear. जब तक हम कुछ एक्सटर्नल उसके ऊपर प्रेशर अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे तब तक वो रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस नहीं होगा. बट सपोज इफ यू रिमूव दिस प्रेशर, सो ऑस्मोसिस प्रोसेस इज अगेन कंटिन्यूअस without any initiation. Therefore, it says that it's a natural phenomenon, and it say that the flow of solvent from high concentration to low concentration. Is it clear? But in the reverse osmosis process, here in the reverse osmosis process, this is again a semi-permeable membrane, and in compartment A, it is, this one is a salty water, this one is salty water, means it having water plus salt, or we say that it's a sea water. And in compartment A, here will be a pure water. Here will be a pure water. Is it clear? Now, if we apply this external pressure on the system, again I repeat, so the external pressure is greater than osmotic pressure. इसमें देखिए चीजें कैसे है. First of all, osmosis is a natural process, correct? That is, without any pressure, osmosis is carried out. That is from flow of solvent from the high concentration to low concentration. Then osmotic pressure होता क्या है कि if we apply the external pressure on the process of osmosis to stop the flow of solvent from high concentration to low concentration, तो ये osmotic pressure हो गया. Okay, now in the reverse osmosis process, if we apply the external pressure is greater than osmotic pressure, again एक step आगे जा रहे हैं हम. Okay, so if we apply the external pressure is greater than osmotic pressure, then the flow of solvent, here flow of solvent from low concentration, flow of solvent from low concentration to high concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, in bracket here cellulose acetate membrane and okay, cellulose acetate membrane, that is from salty water to pure water is called as reverse osmosis, or it is desalination of water. Again I repeat, listen. अब हम क्या किए हैं, this is one of these container, it's bifurcated with the help of semi permeable membrane. नाम से पता चलता, सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन, सेमी यानी हाफ, परमिट यानी पास करना. ओके, सो दिस मेम्ब्रेन इज ओनली एप्लीकेबल टू परमिट द सॉल्वेंट पार्टिकल, not to permit the solute. Is it clear? Or any impurities. So this membrane here it is made up from cellulose acetate. In this case, here the flow of solvent, but कब, if we apply the external pressure is greater than osmotic pressure. आपको osmotic pressure पता है? Osmotic pressure का मतलब क्या है कि those pressure is used to stop the osmosis process. It's called as osmotic pressure. Now here we apply this pressure is greater than osmotic pressure, understood? And then इसमें क्या होगा? Then the flow of solvent from salty water to pure water, and this phenomenon is called as reverse osmosis, or it is also called as desalination of water. D means removal, saline means salt, understood? So removal of salt from the sea water and it convert into pure water, this process is called as desalination of water. Is it clear the terms? Again I repeat here, in the reverse osmosis process, if we apply this external pressure is greater than osmotic pressure, then the flow of solvent from low concentration to high concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, understood? And it's a conversion of salty water to pure water. This phenomenon is called as reverse osmosis, or is also named as desalination of water. D and a removal, saline and a salt. So removal of salt from sea water is called as desalination of water. And nowadays अभी जो ये cellulose acetate membrane है, this one of the parchment membrane is only permit the water particle. It does not permit or it does not allow these impurities present in the sea water, understood, or some ions, understood. So these are only permit pure water particle, not it permit any salt particle, and hence this membrane is used in RO system. Already everybody knows the RO system. अब आजकल हर किसी के घर में for the purpose of preparing drinking water, everybody are installing the RO system at home. Okay, because the normal water it having a lot of salty contents. So for removal of the salt contents, RO system is using, understood? So because in the you know the TDS वगैरह concept आपने सुना होगा, total dissolved solids, everything. So these terms are, so here RO system is, RO means reverse osmosis. Any difficulty will be there? Understood it? So in the reverse osmosis it is defined as the external pressure is applied is greater than osmotic pressure, then the flow of solvent, then यहाँ पे मैं लिख देता हूँ, if external pressure is greater than osmotic pressure, मैं शॉर्ट में लिखा osmotic pressure, then flow of solvent from low concentration to high concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, it's called as the reverse osmosis. And in this process the conversion of salty water to pure water, इसमें देखिए यहाँ से वाटर पार्टिकल प्योर वाटर की तरफ आएंगे और ऑस्मोसिस प्रोसेस में प्योर वाटर की तरफ से साल्टी वाटर की तरफ जाएगी। तो ये नेचुरल प्रोसेस है, दिस इज अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस और इट इज स्पॉन्टेनियस, अंडरस्टूड। नेचुरल और ये स्पॉन्टेनियस है। दिस इज अ आर्टिफिशियल, इट्स नॉट नेचुरल, आर्टिफिशियल और नॉन स्पॉन्टेनियस। मीनिंग समझ में आया होगा, व्हाई दे आर नॉन स्पॉन्टेनियस। अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी ये प्रेशर कम कर दोगे, मीन्स दिस प्रोसेस सॉरी दिस प्रेशर इज equal to osmotic pressure or less than osmotic pressure, then again this phenomenon is carried out. अगर आपका प्रेशर ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर इतना है तो neither osmosis will be takes place not reverse osmosis will be takes place, understood. But if your external pressure is less than osmotic pressure, then osmosis are takes place, understood. If your pressure is equal to osmotic pressure, then neither osmosis nor reverse osmosis. But if the external pressure is greater than osmotic pressure, then reverse osmosis takes place. तो मैं यहाँ पे एक नोट के तौर पे लिखता हूं, नोट के तौर पे, if P is less than osmotic pressure, then osmosis takes place. Okay, then if P is equal to osmotic pressure, then neither osmosis nor RO, reverse osmosis. And if P greater than osmotic pressure, then only reverse osmosis. These three phenomenon is there. It's very simple concept है. तो ये process natural है, understood. These two are the artificial. ये spontaneous, these two are non-spontaneous. So I hope everybody will be clear this term reverse osmosis, understood. ये डायग्राम जो वो रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस वाला है। अभी आप मान के चलिए इसको यहाँ पे एक इनलेट दोगे, जिसमें से आप सी वाटर इंक्लूड करोगे। हियर वी हैव टू प्लेस वन आउटलेट जिसमें से प्योर वाटर बाहर आएगा, करेक्टेड। यू ऐड हियर सी वाटर, again it apply the pressure is more than osmotic pressure, then sea water convert into pure water, और इसमें उल्टा होगा। Is it clear? So this is a reverse osmosis. Okay.